Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use tick chart on TradingView. The first step you need to do, guys, open TradingView chart, and after open your TradingView account and navigate of to charting section and click on the chart on the top your screen, as you can see here, and search for a tick option as you can see here, and after that click on the time interval located on the top left corner in the chart and showing option like 1 minute and 5 minutes, as you can see here. After that, guys, customizing your tick chart from the drop down, scroll down and you click add custom interval in the pop box and select on tick as your option of the time. After that, you can set the number of tick. As you can see here, you can set how many tick you per candle. For example, 100 tick and 10 tick. This is a new candle after 100 trades. And then after that, apply for new view, apply the view tick chart, and you can apply chart. You will update display tick based on your data. You will see candle forming based on the number of trade. This is how you can do, guys, and you can analyze your tick chart easily, and you can use your favorite indicator. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.